So you have the CPG toolkit that we created. Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm the founder of Logic. Let's get you a better prompt to get better information. So here we have the landing page of the toolkit. This generally goes over what you can do. There's also some instructions of how to use the library. For the sake of this example, we're just going to use the retail margin model, or calculator as we like to call it. So you just either click here or you find all the prompts down here. This is the retail margin calculator right here. And the only thing that you need to do is replace this blue text here with your data. The rest of it you just leave intact. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up to this copy to clipboard. We're going to go over to ChatGPT, which I already have a new search window here. What I like to do, and just a little bit of an extra tip, is you change this to 3. This is advanced reasoning. It'll think about the problem a little bit longer. And all I'm going to do is hit paste into here. So this is our whole prompt now is copied in here. This is where you would replace all of these with your product specification. And then we hit go. Everyone is using these tools, these language models, to do their research. You end up going down a rabbit hole of bad information. What we want to do is get you the best information so you can move on and feel much better about the information you're working from. So it's going through its calculations here. So here it is. It's giving us our reply. These were all of the example inputs that it's using. And now we're getting a pricing waterfall. So we have our landed cost, and then we have our distributor sell-in price. And you can also click on the links that it's giving you to validate that source. Trade spend, brand net revenue, and then brand margin. Slotting fees, we can also check and validate the source that came from. That's why we made these tools, is so founders and startups can get a lot farther in their day-to-day workflow. If you want to provide feedback, any sort of tips and tricks, what worked best for you, we'd love to hear it. We're trying to build out a really comprehensive library for startups.